Have you ever felt the soothing embrace of a favorite song or the calming effect of ocean waves? Sound has a profound impact on our emotions and well-being. Welcome to an exploration of sound healing, a journey where vibrations and frequencies harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. Discover how you can transform your vibration and enhance your life through the power of sound. Sound healing is an ancient practice found in cultures around the world. From the chanting mantras of India to the didgeridoos of Australian Aboriginals, sound has been used as a tool for healing and transformation. At its core, sound healing utilizes the vibrational frequencies of instruments or voices to bring the body's energy centers into alignment. Everything in the universe vibrates, including us. When our natural frequencies are out of harmony, it can lead to stress, illness, and imbalance. By harnessing sound, we can retune ourselves to optimal frequencies, promoting relaxation, healing, and spiritual growth. But how does it work? Research shows that sound vibrations can affect our physical and mental states. Here's how. Brainwave entrainment. Certain sound frequencies can alter our brainwaves through a process called entrainment, shifting us into states of relaxation or focus. Cellular resonance. Our cells can resonate with external frequencies, impacting cellular processes and promoting healing. Stress reduction. Sound can lower cortisol levels, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Cymatics, the study of visible sound vibrations, demonstrates how sound frequencies create intricate patterns. This illustrates the profound effect sound can have on matter, including our bodies. There are various instruments used in sound healing, each offering unique benefits. Singing bowls produce harmonic tones that can induce deep meditative states. Tuning forks offer precise frequencies for targeted healing, aligning specific chakras or body parts. Gongs create a rich tapestry of sound that can wash over the listener, releasing tension and blockages. Drums and percussion. Rhythmic beats can ground the listener and connect them to primal energies. Chanting and mantras. The human voice carries powerful vibrations that can uplift and transform. Let's experience some of these sounds together. Breathing exercise. Before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Prepare to receive the healing vibrations. Singing bowl meditation. Focus on the resonating tones. Allow the sound to wash over you, releasing any tension. Guided mantra chanting. Repeat the mantra OM 3 times with me, feeling the vibration in your chest and throat. OM. 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 Feel the resonance within you. Integrating sound healing into your routine can be simple and rewarding. Personal practice. Use singing bowls or tuning forks during meditation. Listen to sound healing recordings before sleep. Creating a healing space. Play ambient soundscapes in your environment to promote calmness. Group sessions. Join sound baths or group meditations to amplify the experience. Mindful listening. Pay attention to the sounds around you. Nature's symphony can be healing in itself. Many people have experienced profound shifts through sound healing. After incorporating sound baths into my weekly routine, I've noticed a significant reduction in my anxiety levels. Sarah. Using tuning forks helped me recover faster from physical strain by promoting relaxation and blood flow. Daniel. Their stories highlight the potential of sound to transform and heal. While sound healing is generally safe, consider the following. Medical conditions. If you have a serious medical condition, consult a healthcare professional before starting any new healing practices. Comfort levels. Sound sensitivity varies. Always adjust the volume and frequency to suit your comfort. Professional guidance. For deeper work, seek certified sound healers who can tailor sessions to your needs. The universe is composed of vibrations, and so are you. By aligning yourself with harmonious frequencies, you can enhance your well-being, lift your spirit, and transform your life. Are you ready to attune to the melodies of healing and embrace the power of sound? Thank you for joining this sonic journey. If you found value in this exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into holistic healing and spiritual growth. Share your experiences with sound healing in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Remember, harmony begins within. Until next time, keep resonating with positivity.